Tibetan flow. Yo, it's Tibetan Designs, let the culture show, bringing old school vibes with a modern glow.
From the highland peaks to the city streets, we craft that art where culture meets. Shirts, bags, prints, you know the style. Traditional roots with a fresh profile. Every line's a story, every thread's a vibe. Honoring the past while we let it thrive. Custom made, yeah, we keep it real. Empowering the world with that Tibetan feel.
Tibetan designs, we rise, we shine, blending heritage and art divine. Through every product, we let it flow. Tibetan pride everywhere we go.
We're repping that beauty, bold and bright. Motive that echo through day and night. From bulk orders to one-on-one, spreading the spirit till the work is done. It's more than art, it's a way of life, keeping culture strong through every strife. So wear it proud, let the colors sing. Tibetan designs where the spirit clings.
Tibetan designs, we rise, we shine, blending heritage and art divine. Through every product, we let it flow. Tibetan pride everywhere we go.
We're repping that beauty.
Ah, yeah.